Hi, I'm a shy cat. I'm just, can't even look at you. If I could, okay, I can do this. Oh man. Okay, so, my teacher, I got my teacher, Miss Frizzle Puss, and my friend is her name is Hiss, and, my other friend is named Meow, and, I like school. I like it so much. I hope you like school. I'm sorry, I can't do this. I'm so sad right now. No, okay. No, I'm not shy. No, I'm not. No. Nope. No. I'm a grown man, and I'm not shy. No. I don't know what this thing is, but I'm a grown thing. I'm a small baby, and I'm not shy. No, sir. Bleep, blop, bloop. Bleep, blop, bloop, poop. Bye. We come from peace. Bye.